My name is Pauline Duhart and I'm one of 3 owners of Simply Home Downsizing, and we cover Toronto and surrounding areas. Simply Home Downsizing specialize in a variety of services. So we help our clients with downsizing, packing, unpacking, moving, organizing, and staging. The MaxSold experience has been absolutely amazing. Customer support that we get from MaxSold is outstanding. They are very receptive and they answer our questions immediately, and they're always there to help. The biggest benefit that MaxSold has brought to our business is the fact that MaxSold is a one-stop shop. If we need to, we can bring the MaxSold team in to do the cataloging and the photographing and uploading, and then they're also available for the pickup day. We are able to help our clients with the downsizing process from beginning to end, which means that if our clients have to sell the majority of their items in their home, MaxSold is the only option for us.